Rolling Hills Asylum. In December 1826, the Genesee County Board of Supervisors gathered in Bethany to establish a county poorhouse. They chose a brick building, once a stagecoach tavern, at the intersection of Bethany Center Road and Raymond Road due to its central location in the county. The Batavia Times newspaper published an official notice on December 9, 1826, stating, "The Genesee County Poorhouse will open its doors to paupers on January 1, 1827. Overseers of the poor from each town in Genesee County are advised to send paupers to the poorhouse with their clothing, beds, bedding, and other necessary items." Those eligible for assistance included habitual drunkards, lunatics, paupers, state paupers, blind, lame, old, or disabled individuals with no income, and vagrants. In 1828, a stone building was added to the poorhouse to house lunatics and serve as a repository for paupers who misbehaved. The staff at the poorhouse worked to separate unsafe patients from the general population, but challenges persisted. Consequently, a solitary confinement cell was built within the facility. The facility also housed the mentally ill until 1887, when the Board of Supervisors decided to send those with acute insanity to other state institutions. The Genesee County Poor Farm covered over 200 acres and operated as a self-sufficient farm and woodland. This allowed the county to care for residents at a low cost, approximately $1.08 per week per resident in 1871. Residents, referred to as inmates regardless of their reason for being there, faced difficult conditions while working on the farm. Many produced goods to sell, helping to offset living expenses. Facilities included a bakery and a woodshop where coffins were crafted for use at the poorhouse and for sale to local mortuaries. The county provided burials for residents without families. An 1886 record mentions a cemetery on the property, improved with a fence and leveled ground to protect the graves. Over time, the cemetery deteriorated, with stones crumbling, grass growing, and the forest reclaiming the land. The exact location and details of the cemetery remain largely unknown. Today, it's believed that the spirits of these troubled individuals linger in the halls of Rolling Hills. In the depths of the old men's dormitory on the second floor, there exists a corridor known only as the Shadow Hallway. Here, shadow people are said to roam freely. Those who dare to venture near the infirmary section may catch a glimpse of these elusive figures. They appear in various shades, shifting between human-like forms and shapeless specters. The walls of the Shadow Hallway have witnessed countless unexplained shadows, their movements both captivating and eerie. Descending into the asylum's basement, one discovers a small, dank room that holds the remnants of a darker past. Iron brackets protrude from the cold cement walls. In this grim chamber, individuals deemed unruly or afflicted with misunderstood ailments like Alzheimer's or epilepsy were shackled and isolated. Even outspoken wives could find themselves imprisoned within these walls. The room's oppressive atmosphere serves as a haunting reminder of the asylum's unsettling history. In the East Wing is Roy's room. Roy Krause, a towering 7-foot-tall shadow man, remains a beloved figure at Rolling Hills Asylum. Suffering from gigantism likely caused by a pituitary gland tumor, Roy spent his life within these walls, passing away in 1942 at the age of 52. In recent years, it was noted that it would have been Roy's 123rd birthday. The staff still gathers in his room to celebrate him. In the basement, next to the embalming table, is the morgue, a place steeped in eerie tales and paranormal activity. 2 walk-in refrigerators, originally meant for human corpse storage, stand as silent reminders of the morgue's unsettling history. Ghostly voices, objects moving on their own, and even reports of people being shoved add to the morgue's haunted reputation. The land surrounding Rolling Hills holds its own mysteries. Once a burial ground for those without families, the exact location of the cemetery has been lost to time. Nature has reclaimed the land, with crumbling stones and overgrown grass marking the forgotten graves. Despite the lack of records, the stories of these lost souls continue to linger. The emotional bonds formed by former residents, many of whom lost their homes or families, are believed to anchor their spirits to this place. The spirits are treated with respect and care, acknowledging their enduring presence within the asylum's storied history. The Genesee County historians erected a historical marker commemorating those forgotten individuals who lived and died at the county home. Today, visitors to Rolling Hills Asylum
This has
can
been
embark
Tyler.
on self-guided
Thanks for
ghost
joining
hunts,
me on this chilling
delve into
exploration.
historical tours,
Hit the like and
attend
subscribe
special
button,
events,
and turn on
even encounter
notifications to stay
celebrity
up to date
gatherings
with the
in this
latest
eerie
videos.
setting.
Bye for now.